So I have not done my empties in like 3 months, and I got a bag of trash on my lap because I need to do that. So let's get started. First thing I used up was this Sense Hydrating Cream Hair Bath. I used the conditioner to this the last time I did an empties. I got this out of a Beauty Heroes box and I really enjoyed this. I do not go through shampoo and conditioner very quick because I wash my hair like never, like once a week, because I'm a dirty person. But I enjoyed that while I had it. Another thing I used up was this Briogeo, oh, there's a hair on it, that attractive. Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I really enjoyed this. This was a sample I got out of a BoxyCharm, and I really liked using this. Like, enough that I might shell out the money to get a full size. Haven't made that full decision yet. This is the Rosewater Facial Toner from Trader Joe's. I liked this, but I felt like it was drying, and it does have, where is it? Fragrance in it. And I feel like that might have been the culprit as to why my face kept drying out. Maybe, I don't know. There's also some witch hazel in here, and that can be a little bit drying, I think. Wasn't bad. This odd black thing is a Sephora mini solid brush cleaner. I liked this. I used it. I like solid brush cleaners better than liquids. I've found that out. Keep trying liquids and sorry my nose itches. I don't like them. I'm like, why did I buy this? This is my used up nail polish from my Project Polish. Why is that so hard to remember? This is Kiki from Julep. I really liked this color. I'm kind of sad to see it go, but I enjoyed that. Let's get the other nail polishes out of the bottom of this, because there's like 3 more. I used up this Julep polish, which was a glitter and diamond theory. I used up this one, this copper color, which is Zoe, and then this red, which was Fazia. Still have no idea if I'm saying that right, but I used up all 4 of those. Why does my nose itch so bad? I used up these Hydrating e.l.f. cleansing cloths. I enjoyed these. I'd repurchase. They're not expensive because they're e.l.f. I'm gonna change out this crunchy bag for something else soon. We have a little blue bin that is not being used for anything, and I think I'm gonna trade my empties out to that. I use this Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt Foaming Bath, the Detoxing and Energizing Clay. I went through the Epsom salts version of this the other time I did like empties. I was gonna say last month, but I used this up more than a month ago. I enjoyed this. I have the like sea salt and kelp one now, and I think I like the way that smells better. Now, this is in here because I used up one of these soaps, these Cetaphil gentle cleansing bars. I think I finished using this one to wash my makeup brushes, but I used that. Okay, so we're almost down to all the makeup. I used this Wander Beauty Eye Gel, like, baggage claim eye mask. This was like super full of serum. Like, I opened it and it was just like oozing everywhere, and I had opened it over my floor, and I instantly regretted that decision. But from the one I tried, it was good. Okay, so there are a couple more things in here that aren't beauty, like makeup. Let me get to those first. Why is there a pen in here? That doesn't belong in there. I used up, I'll get into this hand, my California Mango Cuticle Oil. That was in my 18 and 2018. I used up 2 Scentbird perfumes. This is the DKNY Delicious, also in my 18 and 2018. And this Burberry Brit, also in my 18 and 2018. This was a roll-in, and those 2 were in from the beginning, so used up those. I used up this lotion from Leanne Grace. This was the Blissful Body Butter and Sweet Cream. I liked this, but it has a powdery smell to it. And I had somebody ask me if I had put on baby powder one of the times I wore this last, which that was not a very nice compliment. Now, one more thing that isn't makeup, and then the rest is makeup. I used up these Halo Beauty vitamins, and I enjoyed these. These were actually really, really good, and I feel like they really helped my nail growth. I didn't see any change to my hair, but my hair is really healthy to begin with. I didn't see a whole lot of change to my skin, but I do think it might have helped the wrinkles around my eyes, and I'm keen to try an extended trial of these, more than just a month. I did like these though. I do think they did stuff. Definitely with my nails, but maybe just in general did stuff. Okay, makeup. Pick it up by the handful. So I finished the second end of this. So Cortado as well as Latte are both done. These were from that holiday kit thing. Well, not kit, they had these double-sided minis they always come out with. Finished up those 2. I finished this Pixie and Chloe Morello cake gloss. I do not think this is worth the money. It's $14 for 3.5 grams of gloss. It goes really, really quick. It's not a very good lip topper, and mine also started smelling funny towards the end, and I only had it for maybe 3 months. So this don't think is worth your money. I finished this col-lab High Rise mascara. I liked this. I do feel like if you're not careful it can get clumpy, but the brush is one of these spiky little plastic. I was saying synthetic in my head and that was not the word I was looking for. Plastic bristles, and they do a pretty good job of combing, but it can get clumpy if you're not careful. I finished this boy brow from Glossier. This one's in the color Blonde. I do like these. I'm currently using the Essence brow gel thing, and I like that too, so probably won't repurchase this because I kind of like that. Put these things down and grab another handful. So I finished this L'Oreal Voluminous mascara, and this is done because it's been long enough and then I got a sty in my eye and I had to discard this because this occurred after I had put my makeup on and then my eye got all swollen, and I don't dally with those kinds of things. Infections, things go bye-byes. I finished this Bite Matte Lip Crayon. This was in my mini lippy project pan. This is in the color Torte. It is done. It's a soft rosy pink. Finished this one. This was a Bite Luminous Cream in Honeycomb. These ones, these little lipsticks you're seeing, these are all from my mini lippy project pan. Things will be linked. They're over here. Things will be linked. And then this is a primer I finished. This was a deluxe sample of the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I don't like this enough to repurchase. Getting a free sample of it I'm fine with. I like the way it smells more than the way it performs. It's not bad. Just, I don't think it's for me. Alright. Got one more little handful. Bye bag. Alright. So I finished this Beauty Basics Sahara Gold Eye Crayon. Finished that. This was in my 18 and 2018 and it just gave up on life. I finished this. This was also in my 18 and 2018. A lot of panning stuff here. That's good though. That's the purpose of panning, I can't even get it out. This was the Pixie Brow Gel Pen, which I don't know why they call it a pen, because this is obviously, very obviously a pencil. This was in the shade Light, I think. Ooh, I finished this deluxe size priming. There's lint all over it. It's very attractive. This Smashbox primer oil sample. I didn't like this under makeup. Like, my skin is like dry but dehydrated, and I don't feel like this did a very good job of helping the dryness, and it wasn't really that good of a primer. So I think these are just one of those products that's not for me. And I just finished Fig. Fig was finished up today. And it is done. And the last thing, this is a completely empty pan. And this is the Terra Mia Tranquil Bronzer that I had Frankenified and finished up also in my 18 and 2018. So, done with that. And that's all my empties. There's a lot of makeup empties in here. I didn't actually realize I had gone through that much makeup in the last couple months. It's good to see it. Now I know. So that is everything for today. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I hope to see you guys next time. Also, give me a thumbs up if you haven't already, and subscribe if you aren't subscribed, so you know when I do more, like, trash videos. Why are we always so interested in going through each other's trash? Alright, hope you all have a good day. Bye.